One feature that is missing from Google Docs forms is the ability to quickly and easily reset the form. An example of this might be when you have set up a form and then tested to see that the form is working properly by entering some fake data. I have found a resource at Abhi's weblog that shows you how to reset the counter and goes through step by step. And I'm making a video tutorial using those steps. I'll post a link to Abhi's weblog at the end of this tutorial. So let's take a look at a form that I've created. This is a website sharing form where students or other participants can add a website that they want to share with the group and then facts about that. I put a fake entry in for that form using the main site. So if I went to the live form and entered that data, this is what it looks like on the spreadsheet, and this is the summary response. You can see there's some data in there now. I want to clear all of this information out so that the form counter is 0, so that the summary sheet does not have any information, and that the spreadsheet data fields are blank. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to make sure that the sheet on the spreadsheet form is all the way over to the left. So if I had multiple sheets, I would want to make sure that the sheet that has the data entry on it is all the way to the left of the screen. The second step is to add a new sheet that is blank at the bottom. Then I'm going to click on the little blue arrow on this new blank sheet and click Move Left. The next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Sheet 4 that has the data on it, and I'm going to open up the Edit Form box. I need to keep the form editing window open the entire time from here on out. So I'll just minimize that and go back to this form. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to the Form tab, and I'm going to go down to Delete Form and click OK. And then I'm going to go down to the sheet that has the data on it, and I'm going to delete that sheet. So you'll see that I have my blank sheet. There's no information at all in the spreadsheet. The form doesn't show anything in the counter, and there is no summary view. Now I need to go to the form editing window. And in the form editing window, I need to click on any of the edit symbols for any of my data. And I don't actually have to change any information in here. I can just click Done and then click Save. And what that does is that if we look back at the form, you'll see that the headings for my data have returned. The counter for the form has reset to 0. And if I click on the Show Summary of Responses, nothing opens because there is no data. So that's a quick tutorial about using kind of a workaround for the fact that there is no form reset button currently. Hopefully in the future they'll add that, and I hope that this helps. And again, I'll post the step-by-step resource at Abhi's blog at the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much.